At my parents' restaurant, one of the most popular dishes was chicken broccoli. It's one of the most simple dishes to make, and I'll show you how to make it today. This simple dish has chicken, broccoli, carrots, chicken broth, a little salt and pepper, and some sesame oil to finish. Start by filling up your wok and bringing water to a boil. When your water is at a rolling boil, add your broccoli, your carrots, and let that cook for about a minute. After 1 minute, add in your chicken breasts and give it a nice stir. After another minute, drain all your ingredients. And set them aside. To a clean, dry wok, add in some oil, ginger and garlic, and chicken broth. Add in about a teaspoon of salt, some white pepper, and bring that to a boil. Add your ingredients back in. Take a little bit of a slurry, which is cornstarch and water. Give that a toss. 1 squirt of sesame oil. A good quality sesame oil makes a big difference. And we're ready to plate. And that's how you make classic Chinese chicken and broccoli. Tired of chicken? Try making beef and broccoli. It's got a nice brown savory sauce.